Welcome to KLT, your one-stop source for Western-style kitchen and household small appliances. KLT is the world's largest manufacturer of electric wine openers, established in 1998. In addition to our wine openers, we offer a full range of wine accessories you won't want to miss. But we don't stop there. Our electric pepper grinders, milk frothers, and the newly introduced electric can openers are also making waves in the market. KLT dominates multiple categories across major e-commerce platforms. Our products have won prestigious design awards like the Red Dot Award, IF Design Award, and Good Design Award. In 2023, with a daily production capacity of up to 60,000 units, our annual sales hit 75 million USD. Led by aerospace-backed engineers, our R&D team is ready to meet any of your custom needs. Visit www.kelitong.com to explore our full product lineup. Looking to source electric wine openers, pepper grinders, milk frothers, or can openers? KLT's iconic red packaging is your go-to guide for quality.